Ngayong Valentine's Day, sino nga ba sa atin ang hindi naghahangad ng isang romantic type of love? Pero maybe hindi lahat tayo ay kasing fortunate to have one. And maybe merong mga tao na ang hinihintay nila ay uri ng pagmamahal na manggagaling sa isang tao na totally ay hindi nila kilala. Yan mismo yung ipinadama ng MC Mismo.
Mismo stands for Meron Miriam Identity, Spirituality, and Mission Office. Mismo is actually the center of all centers, but there are 4 main advocacy centers. First one is CRAC, which stands for Child's Rights and Advocacy Center. And then we have also the Center for Peace Education, or CPE. And then we have Environmental Studies Institute. And the last one is WAGI, which is Women and Gender Institute.
Nararamdaman din namin ang pagmamahal ng Mismo sa pamilya, kanilang pagbigay ng tulong. Yung serbisyo pong binibigay nila sa amin, hindi nila kami nalilimutan at lagi po nandyan sila, gabay namin, katuwang sa lahat po ng mga project, programa sa Miriam ay naalala po nila ang aming komunidad.
Mismo has several partner communities. One would be the CUM, kaisahang ugnayan ng mamamayan. And we have surrounding places, Leola Heights, the communities there. We have also one in Samar, Shift Foundation. And in Davao, we have Merinol Academy of Katiil. And then we also have Life for All Foundation. And lastly, we have a partnership with Alagang Kapatid Channel 5. They're actually the one bringing the donations to the different communities, especially if it's far from Quezon City.
Ako po ay nagpapasalamat at ang komunidad ng Marytown ay naging parte ng Mismo. Maraming salamat po sa tulong na binibigay at kalinga at pagmamahal ninyo sa aming komunidad. Sana huwag kayong magsawang tumulong sa amin.
I would like to thank Mismo and all the students and the MC community for giving this kind of love for community na nakapagbigay ng pag-asa, hindi lamang nakapagpadama ng pagmamahal, kundi nakapagbigay ng pag-asa sa napakaraming tao, napakaraming pamilya na hindi ninyo kakilala pero pinaramdam ninyo sa kanila ang pagmamahal.
Love is reflected through the service. This sense of volunteerism, not expecting anything in return, is what love is all about. That's what I see about how Mismo would also like to reflect love in the communities.